there's my shoes right there, and people here are very respectful about other people's belongings. So I'm not worried about someone, stealing my shoes. My first day, sore throat, congestion, and as you can hear from my voice, I have a real severe cough. But I have to go to Pyeongtaek City to get my Korean resident card. Yes, I am Korean resident now, and I'm just enjoying this urban park, and I found this grounding trail where you can walk bare feet around. I'm going to show you guys this. So this is a very short pathway, but if you walk around like maybe to do 5 laps, you will do like about 30 minutes. 30 minutes grounding. And at the end of the trail there is a water spout where you can rinse your feet. One thing that I do holistically when I'm not feeling well is I do cupping to remove all the toxins in my body, and Chad Douglas love doing it on me. These maple trees are lovely, so beautiful. And another thing that I like to do is grounding. So when I was in Colorado, I just go out in my garden and just walk bare feet in my garden. Like I do that maybe like 10-15 minutes a day. But since we live in a concrete jungle, there's no ground where you can actually like ground close to my apartment. I hope they do. Or sometimes there's dog poop around, so it's kind of like hard to tell if it's a good grounding spot or not. The whole time I was in my house, I was coughing so bad. But when I did this walk, I probably just coughed for like 3 or 4 times. So I think fresh air is good. The pollen and yellow dust is not as bad today because it just rained yesterday. So it's good. It's actually a good day. back in Seoul, and we are back actually here at Ikseon-dong. This is the first place we have went to here in Seoul when we first got here in Korea. We love this place. There's a lot of places to go. There's a lot of restaurants, also bakeries and cafes. So this is a good place to go to if you're new here. If you're new here in Seoul. Oh my God, it's so hot right now. I think it's like around 85 degrees, but it's so humid. Like I'm very sweaty right now. Found myself a new jewelry. It's perfect because perfect for work. Isn't it cute? It's little pills. I'm here for the AC. So after lunch, it's time for dessert. Cheers. Is it sweet? He always makes that that mouth thing to aerate. Yeah. It's 95 degrees.
95?
Yeah.
Today?
Yeah.
Huh.
It's 95 degrees right now here in Seoul.
About to get like 100 degrees.
It's hot today. We even had public safety alert message earlier. It says that today is the hottest day of the week here in Seoul, and they said refrain from doing outdoor activity. So, but of course, we don't listen to any of those public safety alert.